Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants out of rice paper. First, gather your ingredients: rice paper sheets, a little melted butter, and your favorite filling, perhaps chocolate or cheese. This unique approach offers a delightful, lighter alternative to traditional pastry, perfect for a quick treat. We'll guide you through each step to achieve that satisfying crispness and flavor. To begin, hydrate your rice paper sheets one by one in warm water for about 15 seconds until pliable. Carefully lay them flat on a clean surface, overlapping the edges by about 1/4 of an inch to create a larger, continuous sheet. Now, lightly brush the entire surface with melted butter. This step is crucial for developing that signature flaky texture and rich flavor. Now for the exciting part, the filling. Place your chosen filling, whether it's a strip of dark chocolate, a spoonful of fruit jam, or a slice of savory cheese, along one long edge of your buttered rice paper sheet. Carefully roll the sheet tightly from that edge, creating a snug log. Then, gently curve this log into the classic crescent shape of a croissant. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful rice paper croissants. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they turn a lovely golden brown and become wonderfully crisp. Serve them warm, perhaps with a dusting of powdered sugar or a drizzle of honey. They are perfect for breakfast or a delightful snack. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.